How to find the average of a list in Python. Of course, if you remember anything from math class, the way to get average is the sum of the numbers divided by the amount of numbers. In Python, we can do that in one of two ways. Let's say we want to find the average of the numbers 1 through 3. Sum is a built-in function in Python, so we will call our sum variable total and start it at 0. Then, for num in A, total equals total plus num. After the loop is over, we can print total divided by len of A. And that will get us the average of our list. If we run this code, you'll see the average of the list. It's 2.0. Of course, in the explanation of the previous method, I sort of gave away what the second method was. Python has a built-in sum function, so you can reduce all of this down to 2 lines. Have your list A, then print sum of A divided by len of A. If you run that code, you will also see the average of the list is 2.0. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.